Hello guys, and welcome back. Today I'll show you how to change your Tinder username. The only way to change your Tinder username is to delete and recreate a Tinder account, and here's how. Firstly, launch the Tinder app on your phone, then tap the profile icon at the top of the screen. Scroll down to find settings and tap on it. Look for the delete account option. Tap on it and follow the on-screen instructions to permanently delete your account. After successfully deleting your old account, launch the Tinder app again. Use your phone number to sign up and set up a new account. Enter your preferred name, photos, and bio when creating your new account. And that's it. You've successfully started fresh with a new Tinder account. And that's it, guys. As simple as that. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.